Hello everyone, this side Varun Grover, mentor at Career Launcher. So I'm very happy and pleased to welcome Ananya Singh, who has done exceptionally well in the recently held CUT examination. So I'm very happy to welcome her. Her academic journey basically reflect both depth as well as the range of the different subject about which she had appeared in. So she has scored 99 percentile in history and political science as well as in geography, which shows a strong interdisciplinary perspective to the chosen field. I'm very happy to announce that she has gotten into her dream college, that is Miranda House, for BA Geography Honors. So, Ananya, welcome. First of all, many congratulations to you and to your family for getting into such premier college in our country in Delhi University. Welcome, Ananya.
Thank you so much, sir. It's my honor to come here. And you and the whole Career Launcher team, I would like to thank them as well. They have helped me a lot. The teachers were so friendly and like they used to solve all our doubts, even in the classes, even beyond the classes. We had Telegram groups. So through that, we used to connect with the teachers and all our doubts were like cleared. So, yeah, thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you for the compliments, Ananya. We are working for the students only. Yes. So now tell me, Ananya, what was your overall preparation strategy for CUET? Did you focus on any specific subject? Were you focusing when you were revising the subject? What was your strategy? So from the beginning, tell me your journey.
So strategy was like first understanding the syllabus of it. So syllabus more or less aligned with the class 12th NCRT syllabus only. So NCRT was our Bible or a holy book basically. We have to read it extensively. We have to revise it extensively. And I think, sir, at least 5 to 6 revision is needed for giving this exam because they ask in very detail. Also the boxes and everything. We have to pay attention to that as well, and I gave equal attention to all the subjects because everything is necessary, not a particular specific subject. And once you read it, revise it 5 to 6 times, you will automatically realize that what is important, what we have to read and what we don't have to read. And I think that as well as the teachers guided us a lot through the polls which you and the team and the whole every teacher conducted. I think that was helpful. Even in the groups used to send us poll, so that was all helpful to know what we have to study and what not.
So you were enrolled with Career Launcher for the domain subjects, history, political science, English, economics, and you have done
Yeah.
exceedingly well in all the subjects. Now tell me, how did Career Launcher played an important role in your CVT journey?
Sir, I have been a student of Career Launcher since class 12. So, in the early days, I think we were for the boards classes. The batch was for only boards. But the teacher also, in between, they used to teach us about the CUET as well, that how questions can be framed from this part. And there were many mock tests as well. Firstly, we were given topic wise mock tests. So, that was helpful in grasping each and every topic. And after that we were given full length mock test and everything, so that helped us to know about the accuracy, the time management, and where are our weaknesses and strength. I think all that basically overall helped us. So, and the teachers, as I said, they were very helpful even beyond the classes. I used to connect with you on the telegram, so every doubt was actually cleared. So yeah, I think
I
it
do
was very helpful for
when
me.
I do remember whenever basically I was asking questions in the class, you were also responding. Once the
Yes.
classes got over, also in the polls, also which I was giving in the Telegram group, you were always
Yes.
responding.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm aware about it that it had helped you. So very good. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now you have been a board student, CBSE board student also. So
Yes.
you have done well in that also. Now tell me, how did you manage both CUET as well as CBSE board exam preparation?
So it was a bit challenging because school used to take 7 to 8 hours of my whole day, and then classes, online classes are also there, and then we have to do self study as well. So it was a bit challenging, but again, strategizing things helped me a lot. Revising just after the class and focusing in the school as well. That was important, and I used to try to seize the time whenever I can in my school as well. And in the weekends I used to try to give more time in my studies. So I think this way I try to balance it. And also the syllabus, I think it more or less matched the class 12 syllabus, the both syllabus and COT. The domain, especially if I talk about the domain, it do matched. So I think it aligned. So that was helpful. For English, I think we had to focus more on the grammar and the vocab part. So I think for that, one has to prepare throughout the year. Then only something can happen. Like we have to be consistent in English. Otherwise, before a month or 2 months, we cannot ace in the English exam. So that is something.
Great, great. Okay, now tell me what was your strategy across the subject when we are talking about history, political science, geography? Okay, did your interest in any one of the subject help you understand that subject better in comparison to other subjects?
So I would say I gave attention equally to all the subjects, but I was kind of biased towards geography and political science. Yeah, a bit more inclined towards it. I found that both interesting, and in fact, I think because you were our teacher, you try to connect it with the national events and the international events. I think that made it more interesting to study political science, and yeah, I think in that case. And talking about English, I tried to focus more on the vocabs because I was a bit lagging in that. So where I used to read newspapers and magazines, wherever I found any words, I used to write down in my book. So I used to keep a book, kind of dictionary book where I used to write all that words. So that helped me in English. And talking about other subjects, I think revision of NCRT would be enough, and practicing as many questions as you can. So,
Great. Okay, tell me in the peak times, peak preparation time,
yes,
what
sir.
was your daily routine? How did you manage that?
Yes, sir. So I think a month or yeah, a month before my CUT exam, it was like I used to wake up around, yeah, 7 or something. I'm not that early person. I'm a night owl actually, but I try to wake up at 7, and I used to give. I used to use my 2-3 hours of the morning productively, and I used to study in that. And after that, around 11 to 2, I would study like a bit more. I used to give some mock test in that time, and try to analyze my weakness and strength area, because the slots were also like this, the exam slots. It was like 9 to 12 and something. So I try to align with that, so that my mind can work during that time period. So, and after that, again, I used to take a break for 1 and 2 hours, and again study, back to study. I used to take breaks, but study was like continuous.
Now tell me one thing, you have just now spoken about mock test. So
Yes,
how
sir.
important were the mock test in your preparation? Did any mock test help you rethink or your strategy, how you were pacing the exam earlier? Did it help in the real time examination? So what is your opinion about mock test?
So mock tests were actually very crucial part of my journey. My father used to say that there's a technique you should follow, PDCA. So P means planning, that you have to strategize things. Then D means you have to do that thing, and C means you have to check that thing. So how will you check? You will check through the mock test. So mock test is very important. And then A for act, you have to improve whatever your weaknesses, or whatever you did incorrect in that mock test. So I think I remembered this, and I always used to give mock tests even in the weekends, in the weekdays. There were topic wise, as I said, topic wise mock test and full length mock test. It actually the full length mock test helped me to create that environment, that competitive environment, and that time limit during which I have to give my exam. And I think the questions also were a bit harder, which actually helps us to prepare for the worst situation. And one should not get disheartened by low scores. So I used to get a lot, but I think I would suggest other people not to get so disheartened. You should learn from it and try to focus on the weakness. What I used to do was I used to write in my NCRT whatever I did wrong. I used to check the topic, check the line, and used to write beside it, because I used to read the book many times. So when I'll go through it again, I'll remember that this is something I made the mistake, and I'll not do this next time. For English, I used to keep a book, and there I used to write all the incorrect whatever I have done. And if that is any word which I have done wrong, then I used to write the synonyms and antonyms as well, so that I can get an overall view of it. So this is
Great.
how. So it was
So,
really helpful.
yeah, great. So you have attempted all the mocks, as it
Not
seems
all
mock
the marks,
played
I
a
think.
very important role in your
Yes, sir. I think
exam cycle.
30 or 35 mocks I've attended. Almost 40 were there. I was not able to attempt all of them, but 30 or 35 I've attempted.
Your father has shared a mantra with you. That is PDCA. Very good
Yes,
mantra. He had shared a very good mantra with you. So that is plan, do, check, and act, isn't it? PDCA.
yes, sir. Yes,
Great.
sir.
Great.
Please, yeah.
Yeah, great. That is very interesting. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Now moving forward, tell me one thing. How did you handle the pressure in the peak preparation time?
Yes.
Were there any negative thoughts which were coming to your mind? How did you overcome those negative thoughts?
The pressure was intense, and because it was a competitive exam, a very serious competitive exam, and I was really afraid. I was anxious whether I can get into Miranda or not. It's a rank 2 college. Am I worth it to get into that? Do I deserve? So all these questions definitely came in my mind. Even before day before the exam, I was really anxious. But again, they were my friends, my families, who supported me a lot, who gave me that assurance that yes, you can do this, and if you prepared well, then why? What is the thing to worry about? If you have given so many mock tests, if you have revised a lot, you should have that self confidence that you can ace it. And I think one should take breaks and talk to parents and families in between, so that you can alleviate the pressure and that anxiousness, anxiety which is inside you. You should, if you get time, you should do some of your hobbies. You should walk out, get some fresh air. I think that would help to alleviate the pressure. So yeah,
Great,
that is what I
great,
think.
great. Now, Ananya, you have gotten into your dream college, that is
Yes, sir.
Miranda House for BA Geography honors. Now, what
Yes,
about
sir.
the future aspirants who are looking up to you? What are the tips that you are sharing with them so that they can also get into their dream colleges?
Sir, I think I would say you have to stay consistent. Uh, and you don't have to be perfect, because perfection can never be achieved, but you should always stay consistent. Take small goals every day, try to achieve it, and don't get disheartened by low scores or in your mock test. Just try to learn from it as much as you can, revise extensively, and don't compare yourself with anyone. You are a different flower. You have to bloom differently. You will look different, but that's your speciality. So I think believe in yourself and work hard.
I'm very happy for you, Ananya. So,
Thank you.
thank you for sharing your tips also for the future aspirant. Thank you so much, Ananya, for sharing your journey with such clarity and warmth. Basically, your strength and thoughtful preparation when we are talking about different subjects also that are truly inspiring, I would rather say. Now, as you begin with your next chapter in life, that is getting into your dream college in being Miranda House, I wish you continued growth. I wish you all the very best in your future endeavors. May your
Thank you.
passion for pulse science, geography, let me say, lead you to exciting places. Okay, both
Yes.
in academic field and beyond. So I wish you all the very best for your future, Ananya.
Thank you so much, sir. And once again, thank you to you and the Career Launcher team. The teachers were so helpful. I wish every student gets a teacher like you. You made it so understandable. Like, I mean, you you were like a boon for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for such good compliments, Ananya. Thank you very much, Ananya.
Thank you, sir.